Oh, goody goody, we're about to go and grab a Mustang. Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Dan, Daniel, Poe, Nick. Everybody is here. Me, Jess. We're about to call yet another giveaway winner for the GT500. So as you guys know, for the last few months, we've been giving away this GT500 plus $10,000 in cash. And finally, we have a winner for this car. Before we get into that though, I've got to remind you, our next giveaway is live right now. You can grab entries in to win this supercharged Camaro plus $10,000 in cash. And right now, get an additional 777 entries with every single purchase at itsjustasix.com only for the next few days. You could be our very next winner that we are calling just like this today. So with that being said, let's hop into today's video and call this dude.
I always get nervous at this part. I don't know why.
We always say this every time too.
I know. Over here thinking, it doesn't change. We've been here a dozen times. Why the hell are we nervous? We're about to call this dude, make his day probably.
More than his day, I have a feeling.
I hope.
Let's find out what his name is.
His name is Kenneth Hadaway.
Kenneth Hadaway.
Did he just win himself a car?
Kenneth Hadaway just won a GT500.
How do you just win yourself a car?
Kenneth Hadaway.
Oh, you called him already? Oh, shit. Oh, hold on.
You're not supposed to just call him.
Hold this. Do we need to make sure he's over 18?
Stand in front of the cars.
Hello.
Hey, is this Kenneth?
Yeah.
Hey, man. This is Gavin from It's Just Six. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Great, man. Hey, I was just calling to see, are you over the age of 18?
Sure am.
Okay, cool, man. Do you have any idea why we're calling you today?
If I were assuming I just won a GT500.
Man, I was calling to let you know that we are standing in front of your new GT500, dude.
Oh my gosh, you're joking.
I'm not joking, bro. We are looking at your car. We got the keys, the title, and $10,000 ready for you, bro.
Dude, there's no way. Oh my God.
There is a way. There is a way. You have officially won the car, bro.
I'm speechless, man. I'm sitting here shaking. My coworker's laughing at me right now.
I saw on Instagram you had "Don't Lose Sight" in your bio on Instagram too, so I appreciate the support and everything. How long have you been watching for?
Believe it or not, I've been watching since the OG Camaro.
Really?
Oh. Like right before you got the black car.
Damn, that is dope, dude. So probably 5 years or so now.
Dude, let me tell you, I've entered in for every single giveaway too.
Really? That is dope to hear, dude. I am happy that after your investment, it actually paid off and you're going to be taking home a freaking car. Can you drive a stick shift, by the way?
I can.
Oh, sick. Yes. What do you drive currently?
I drive a 2012 Ram 2500.
Oh, sick, dude. Hell yeah. Very clean. Yeah, Poe just said that's a tow truck for your race car, dude.
I was still there?
Yeah, Poe is actually standing
Let's
right
go.
Here. You're gonna meet him whenever you come get the car.
Hey, can I say something real quick?
Yeah.
What's good? What's good?
Paula Zorby.
Let's go! Let's go!
He has been around for a long time.
Right. Yeah, he's been here forever.
Well, hell yeah, dude. I'm so happy. It sounds like this car is going to the perfect person. I always love whenever it goes to like genuine fans of the channel because it's cool to be able to give back to you guys for helping get us to the point where we are.
Yeah, man, of course. I've tried to be there for y'all for every step of the way. And Don't Lose Sight has gotten me through so much in my life, like the good, the bad, dude. And I never in a million years expected to ever win something like this.
Well, congratulations, dude. Congratulations. I cannot wait to meet you. It's going to be so sick to get you down here. Or up here, I guess. All right, man. Well, we'll shoot you a text. Have a good day at work. And thank you so much again. We'll be talking soon. I can't wait to see you.
All right. Thank you, Gavin.
All right, buddy. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye.
Bye.
That was dope. That's always so exciting whenever it goes well.
The fucking follow Zorby bit, that was icing on the cake.
Dude, howdy. He's really been
perfect car
to
go to. Send him a text right now, like a photo of all of us next to the car. I'll take a photo of
I'm about to. Actually, all right, yeah.
Be like, hey, you're not dreaming.
Well, guys, congratulations to Kenneth Hadaway. We're going to be flying him out here in just a few days, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, go grab your entries in at itsjustasix.com. You can get 777 additional entries with every single purchase to win this car for only the next few days. So go grab your entries before your chance is gone. And now let's hop back into the video. Guys, before we get into this video is sponsored by Manscaped. Typically, these guys are known for helping you keep care of your twins, but in this case, they are helping us with our beards today. And just like these cars behind me, we really, really like to have adjustability. So this new trimmer from Manscaped, there are actually 20 different lengths that you can cut your beard to. Just like all these cars, your face needs proper lubrication in order to grow fast and go fast. So, step one for your beard is beard oil. Get that baby properly lubricated. Oh my God. After you've got your beard oil in your hand, get every hair covered really, really nicely. Really gets everything lubricated. The hair is actually able to grow better than you would ever imagine. It works out phenomenally. It's thick. It reads nice and thick. One of the best parts about Manscaped is that now they have a really awesome beard brush. So once you apply your oil, you're just gonna take a brush and just get to brushing. It really helps out with getting everything down flat without any issues. You're gonna be looking stylish in no time, guys. Just to give it a little bit more stick. You know, hairs like to go all over the place, especially on the face, right? So you're gonna wanna grab you a little bit of this beard balm here. It's a giant front. Get the impact. Well, okay, so look, at the end of the night, you're gonna be using this here beard shampoo. Take some of this, get you a squeeze, you just lather that shit up and get it all in there right. Now typically you'd like water with this, but in our case, we're just throwing that shit in there to give you guys a sample, right? You get out of the shower, next step, and I might have used 20% too much beard cream, but you guys go to manscaped.com right now, use code IT'sJustA6 and you'll save 20% off your first order plus get free shipping. Growing your dream beard is in fact possible thanks to Manscaped's new Beard Hedger Pro Kit. But don't take my word for it, go to manscaped.com today, give it a shot, and now back into today's video.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I mean, this isn't even part of the skit, but he's been brushing his beard for like the last 10 minutes. Okay.
Hi, friend.
Hello.
Hi, friend.
You ready to get gapped?
F you, boy.
What?
Who getting gapped?
You
getting gapped. You. All right, guys, so last video you guys saw that we supercharged Daniel's Mustang, and then shortly after we took the car out to AMP and compared it to the times in my Nismo GTR, and it turns out that car is way faster with this supercharger than we even anticipated it to be. And so today, well, we're gonna race it against our supercharged Camaro. This is a giveaway car that we've got going on It'sJustA6.com right now. Go grab your entries in to win this thing. 777 additional entries with every single order is live now. But with that being said, we've got a freaking debate to settle.
I mean, there's not much to settle.
You. So look, the reason why this is gonna be fun is because this is a 5.0 versus a 6.2. They're both centrifugally supercharged. One is cammed, makes a lot more torque. A lot of similarities. In fact, these two cars even almost weigh about the same. There are not much differences in weight, especially being that they're both supercharged now.
It's gonna be close. I think they're gonna be like...
What is your actual guess? Like if you had to say one is gonna win the most races, which one is it gonna be?
Probably the Camaro, because I think it's gonna get the jump. And
really?
I know that you're pretty trigger happy and you like to go on 2.5.
Oh. Who do you think?
I'm gonna go with my LS.
LS?
LS.
Yo, Nick.
This one.
Didn't even know I was gonna ask you.
This one.
I was gonna ask you what your favorite flavor lollipop was. And you pointed downwards and you said this one. Nick, what are you doing? Which car do you think will win?
Oh, that's what you were gonna ask me.
No, that was the next question. That's question
This
number
one.
2. Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I think it'll be very close. It's only funny because no matter the outcome, Poe brought up a valid point earlier. You're on your very largest pulley on a safe tune that's for road racing.
Yeah.
And so either way, you can just like swap a pulley and then you'll be able to gap this thing with ease. So
Reliability battle.
yeah.
Let's go. I'll win that one.
So let's go ahead, get on the road, and go see Supercharged Coyote versus Supercharged LS3. Camaro versus Mustang. This is, I think, a big debate that a lot of people typically have, and this should settle it. So let's see how they do. Oh, goody goody, we're about to go and get a Mustang. I had a feeling it was gonna go about like that. To be fair, that was run 1. I can't say that that was exactly conclusive. We'll get a few more fair runs in just to make sure. But I told y'all this Camaro's fast, dude.
Yeah, that was quick.
This Camaro's saucy.
That was pulling.
Daniel's car is no slouch by any means. So close that I was no lifting to keep up because I knew he was going to pull away. He was pulling. Every time, it just keeps pulling right out immediately. This car just makes some serious torque.
Even on the bottom sides, when you shift, we're still making a ton of power.
Holy shit. Okay, you remember earlier I was saying that that doesn't necessarily confirm anything. That one confirmed everything. That one we finally got top end to let go, and that's a performance pack car, so it's got 373s. This car has a lot longer gears. That one is just like, that's top end, this car has it all day, every day.
It was cooking.
All right, we're about to get out and hear what he's got to say. What did you think?
Hella fast.
I think Danny missed 4th a lot.
What?
I did.
No, you did not. You can't.
Why?
But
Everybody.
no.
Everybody
No.
misses gears.
No. You can't miss 4th in a Mustang.
Yeah, I saw this YouTuber one time. He missed 4th a lot in this Mustang.
Really? 2 times is a lot. 2 times in the entire history of ownership of a vehicle. Did you do it more than twice today?
I did it twice.
Oh, that's crazy. The 2 times that I've ever f***ing missed 4th was on
You
video.
know, I suspect you feel passionate about this too.
I do. I have a little bit of f***ing fuel attached to that shit. Well, Danny, look, I'll be real. That bitch just got torqued.
It does.
That's
I
it.
was telling Nick, I was like, even though I missed 4th, all throughout 3rd gear, you were just barely pulling on top of me. And then by the time I'm shifting, you're passing me. Even if I were to hit 4th, you would still be ahead of me. So,
damn.
I mean, that thing is surprisingly fast. I think, honestly, whoever gets the jump is who's going to have majority of the race, but that one's going to pull top end.
The craziest shit to me is that bitch got a restrictor plate in it. It's on a conservative too, and it has not even E85 on it right now.
Really?
That shit's nutty. All right, let's go ahead and go. It's cold.
All right.
Pretty cool for a giveaway car.
Yeah, you could win
bad. You could win this. Addis66.com right now. For St. Patrick's Day, we're giving you guys $777 in entries, completely free, with every single order on the site right now. So go grab your interest in to win this thing. And with that being said, we've got a long drive to get back to the States. So that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you turn notifications on because the next video is going to be even crazier than the last few. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Tyson, she's sucking me clean like a Dyson. I'm going back to my old ways. Fuck it, I think that they like it. Rolling up all of my.
This get flung? I'm pretty sure this got flung. Yeah, this did get flung. This car makes some torque, dude. Some like serious torque. I've lost my phone, the GoPro guy. I gotta tighten this down, bro.
Rolling up all of my problems and smoking them down in the backwood. Pray to the Heavenly Father, tell him that if I could change it, then I would.